Okay, so now we're going to continue with key leadership traits required to lead in 2050. So, in global terms, we're going to see that China, India, and United States are going to continue being the first three main economies. So this is important to see the culture they built. And in terms of Colombia, we're gonna see an increase in population of approximately 14.8%, which is less than the growth of Latin America, which is 25.5%. Okay, so for leaders in the future, we're gonna see some changes, which are like mainly artificial intelligence, rapid climate change, robotics, automation, population growth. So we need premium leaders in order to lead with all these different things. So Ernst & Young Global Chief Innovation Officer Jeff Wong said, "There's been a transition from thinking about corporations solely as revenues and profits and thinking about the organization in a more inclusive way. Clearly, revenue and profits are still important, but the leading companies are starting to think beyond that." So, we got 5 main characteristics for these leaders of the future. First, the willingness and ability to create something new. So, valuable leaders are the ones who can shape the impact of new technologies, of reinvented industries and processes, and shape these impacts rather than react to them in a bad way. So they're making all of these changes in their favor. Second, being comfortable with chaos. So this results from reinventing long-standing processes. So these people are better prepared to the challenges that await them in the future, because there are many things that are going to change and we need a reaction. Third, understanding of technology. So technology are going to drive the core business function, and this is what will make them competitive. But the leaders must be able to understand the role of technology and the role of people. So they must also be able to show a great understanding and high capabilities of applications and future potential of these emerging technologies in order to use them in the correct way. 4. High emotional intelligence. So in a future that incorporates more artificial intelligence, leaders must have traits that cannot be replicated by them. So they must have like a added value that will give the company the chance not to take them away and replace them with this artificial intelligence. 5 and last, ability to work with people and technology together. So I kind of mentioned this before, but it's like trying to find a balance between these two and cooperate between them in order to maximize the profits and the capabilities of the company.